Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever wondered if you can keep the same repos sync between Azure DevOps and GitHub? The answer is yes. So you can have one repo, but it's synchronized between, Azure DevOps and your repo. So in the beginning, first you have to have the Git in your system installed. For instance, let me just show you how to know. Just type Git. If you found this, if the output similar to this, everything is fine in your side. If not, you need to install the Git. Now there are many, let's see, several ways to create a repos. But let me just start from this one here. For instance, uh, Azure DevOps. I will try to create a new repo. Let me just create this, and you can see this is the type it's Git. And let me just call this maybe Azure Shear, because I will delete this. Not okay, because it's used in this terminal. Okay, let me just create, and I will see this is my repo, and I would like to add maybe a readme file. This is fine, and click maybe. But by the way, you can also select the ignore git ignore files. For instance, if you are using Python, you can just select Python. It will create automatically your ignore stuff. Now create. See, you can see here it's created our repo here with some readme file, and this is the ignore file, which contain all of the stuff that's not needed to be, let's see, tracked in the Git. Okay, now let me go to this, and I will copy this, clone this now in my PC. Okay, so let's open the terminal here, git clone, and paste your URL. So as you see here, I have copied the URL from here. Click clone, it will show you this, and you can copy the link. You can also uh, using the visual code, but let me just do it with this. So you can see it's cloning. Now it's showing now our stuff. Let me just see. Okay, go to the directory, clear, get a status. No, status. And you can see one branch is created now. So now the idea is to keep also create the same stuff in my uh, Git repo, the Git stuff. So what I can do, I have to create, let's see, empty repo, and for that I can call it, let me just call it the same. We don't need to make a different name, let's see, because it should be similar, let's see, but you can also choose another name. So I will keep it, let's see, public. No, create a repo. That's it. Now let me just get the remote. Let me just see, get remote. So you can see now that the remotes, let's say this repo is registered in Azure DevOps. As you can see, this is the link. Now the next step is how to make it in Azure in GitHub. So let's see. So I have to copy this link. I will go to here. This is my link, GitHub. and I will need to, in the beginning, I need to add it git remote add. Now I need to add git hub. And where should I add this? In this direct, in this URL. So git remote add GitHub and click OK. So now if you see git remote, it will add all of these new stuff here. So, so now, but let me just make a refresh in this. I will see nothing is changed because we haven't pushed anything yet. So now this branch is me, right? And to push all of these changes, what is in the DevOps into the GitHub, first I need to clear this. So you need to get to add, type this command, push, no, push to we get hub me. So I need to push the main branch into GitHub. Let me just hit enter. So now it's already published. Let me just see. So now it's nothing is here. So I will just make a refresh, and you can see now it's already here. So now if I made some any changes, so if I make some changes here, so for instance, let me just open this. I mean, we can do it here, for instance. Let me just say new update commit. So in the end of the file, we have seen this new update, but in the Git, it's still not there. You can see it's not here. So what I can do is first git pull. So this will try to give me all, let me retrieve all the info or the new updates from the Git repo, from the DevOps. So I will get just git pull. So, and you can see this is the difference I have added in the README file. Now you can see clear, sorry, clear. The same command, I will just see git push GitHub and the main branch. If you have any other branches, you can also define the branch here. So now let me just refresh. So now you can see the update. But if you would like, let's see, to have it in in the same time, for instance, you have many of, let me just see, this one is the folder here. Let me see, you have to add it. If I have updates here, let me open the README file and I will add another file, for instance, here. I don't know what we could call this, but let me just call this hello.txt file, and here I say hi. So now this file, it's in my local folder, in my local repo. So, and it's not either in Azure DevOps or neither in GitHub. So to do this, I need to push this to the repo. For instance, I can do what I have done, add a hello file like this. And as you can see here, this is the changes I have made. So commit and sync. Now these changes will be added only in the GitHub, in the sorry, in the DevOps. So if I just click refresh, so you can see it's the hello is here. If I refresh this, You can't see it here. So we have to add also by this step here. But let's see, you need to push all of the changes to the to both. You need to make, let's say, a bash file, or yeah, it's a bash file, or called batch file, and to add all of these. For instance, git push Azure and the branch, and git push GitHub and me. So that's it for today, and thanks for watching, and see you next time.